rich history here in polymer science and materials that goes back decades. I was tasked in my first week. I was in the lab, and basically I had to put 3 things in a flask. So I put in the first thing, put in the second thing, turn up the heat, go to weigh out the 3rd component, and by the time I came back, my flask had completely solidified. It was an unexpected result. So I took my flask and went to my advisor at the time and asked him, what had I made? And he's like, I don't know, gotta figure it out. It requires looking at problems in a new light, and the people that you work with all coming together is usually what ends up leading to breakthroughs or innovation.
Reaction that we discovered a way to repurpose plastic called polycarbonate into another type of plastic called polyaryl ether. Polycarbonates have a toxic chemical called BPA,
which is a molecule that people have concerns about what it does to the environment, and was now just ending up in the landfills.
And we figured out how to lock BPA into the plastic material. So if they're used in packaging materials and so on, they won't be leached out as easily as it would be when it's in the polycarbonate structure.
Electronics, things that act as conductors. A lot of the components inside of a computer, all of those go back to polymers. I don't believe that any breakthrough or innovation happens in a vacuum. It comes from talking to other people and having good colleagues. Gavin, for me, has been a great colleague from that standpoint.
So I'm not really upfront usually in terms of these types of discoveries, but this recognition has really helped to sort of push the work that we've been doing in computational chemistry to the forefront. My vision is that IBM will help other companies to derive value from cleaning up our environment, cleaning up our oceans. And so that's my dream, that hopefully one day we could lead that effort.
Finding problems that challenge you and that require you to think differently than other people have before are some of the most exciting challenges.